Hi, my name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can check us out at allthingsdrain.com. We just got a phone call today from a customer in Glastonbury, Connecticut, stating that their bathroom sink was all backed up. Well, as you can see here, it's definitely not draining. So we're going to go ahead and clean out the hair and soap scum and all the buildup that gets stuck in it over time and get them back into business. Okay, drain's all nice and clean. Hair's removed and all the gum can build up. Drain flow's great now. No issues with backup. Thank you for watching our video. You can check us out at allthingsdrain.com.